punish you, Jovika. Jovika TV, may God punish you and punish your generation for poking your nose, poking your mouth into family matter. May you never see peace. Also.
Igbo Igbo ekele m ụnụ. Biko gwara m Jpac si ya hapụ m aka tutu ya adịrị ya late. Ụnụ hụrụ video m mere na video. Before me video, I reached out to Jpac as a friend because I'm one of those name I appreciate your name. So I do appreciate. He's a younger brother, and I do appreciate him. Now, this saga bitoro, only able to mortgage very well. But to my God, when you say Jpac, you have to or else again what the grace will disgrace him. Because they get into this voice, get into conversation with Jpac. And after the video made last about him, yeah, but I say thank you for your video. Thank God I have been avoiding your calls all this while. So after the next second, so what do you mean by that? I spoke to your wife and I advise you, ignore that girl. You refuse. You are a wicked priest. After you are a wicked priest, get into verse 2 to serve them.
Oh, wow. Okay, thank God I never even picked your call for all this while. Hey, God, I thank you. So had it been I've been picking your call all this while, you are banging on my phone, banging on my call, calling me. Oh, had it been I picked your call, another thing would have resulted. So this is you, Jovika. This is really you. This is really you. After how many times you have been calling me, you went on live and talking about my wife. You call me on video, on call. I did not pick your call. My wife pick your call again, only for you to come on Facebook with a debe rubbish about my wife, and you call yourself pastor. This is the main reason why people are not giving their life to Christ. Jovika, this is the main reason why people are not giving their life to Christ. Really? You spoke to my wife as if you know her before. Tomorrow you say carry Bible, go to altar. Thus say the Lord. Jovika, I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed in you. Woe unto that person, Nation and family also. Jovika, Reverend in America, woe unto that person, Nation and family also. Tomorrow you see come and mount the podium. Because then altar. What are you going to preach to people? What are you going to preach to people, Jovika? What are you going to preach to people? All people like you, they choose and get to talk about the true meaning. You get them to one side, you do for a Bible, proof like a proof of Jovika. Can you make a reverend father? Get him a reverend priest, get him a priest. And I support you in Jaka. Go on and support him and support her very soon. That fire you are trying to kindle will consume you and your family. And even I pick your call, who knows else whether you would have recorded me. I purposely gave my wife phone, see as I call on the show. My phone near my wife, get a book, hit on against my wife. May God punish you, Jovika. Jovika TV, may God punish you and punish your generation for poking your nose, poking your mouth into family matter. May you never see peace. Also.
Okay, so now continue. See, Jpac, you are raining abuses and insult of me. I say I will rain it the more. I will say, now I'm going to say I pity the wife. And why you go I pity the wife? That's the one you go about that. Number one, they will learn about the woman. Oh, God, hear it. I'm not about that woman that thing because here we give Chinekanya. Only with the motivation up there. But the young man, the people say, no, you are what I so So I say, I pity you, or only gabo, give me a name, yeah, I call him to other people. I pity the wife. Because when it's mistake of the wife, you will expose it. That's the point. I pity the wife. Here, all they call me, he didn't appreciate that I've been calling him to advise him. He never appreciated it. All that number, I pity the wife. That when I make it, not it is a family. Let's second verse note, Jazzy.
Jovi Konya Rala. Video or your clone here. This video, is it your cloning? Or your clone video here, or your AI video here? Is it not your voice? That you pity that woman, Lorraine. Very, very wicked man. As you are planning to destroy people's marriage, may your marriage scatter in the mighty name of Jesus. Your marriage will scatter. They can't go the Afro. I was now not Joe because you are a very wicked man. You are a wicked priest. You are not qualified to be a reverend priest. Watch what I will do for you now. You are a very wicked priest. Other priests like you are clamoring for peace. How internet will be stable. Your own is to kindle fire. That fire you kindle will consume you, Jovika TV. You are evil.
Okay, now in Mbokurina that other priests are looking for peace. Meanwhile, I send him a video. Everyone on our call Mporaya na Ogechi because let there be peace. Real Ogechi Bara. I got them na life Ozugo. So Ogechi because happen here before ma power the hour. But the man Ogechi doesn't listen to anybody, and I know the only people he listens to. The only way Ogechi made Ogechi was silent, and that was what I told the wife. Because after Ogechi had to go to my live program, we had an interview. Before the live, people say I got up on my page because they may invite. I ignored them. I invited her. Invite them, my page market grow very well. Yes, I have to be frank with you. But before the man that boy send them, me and them money they could look. Yeah, coach Aramia. Don't come to my marriage. I call them so certain things not get there. My author, I would say, yeah, people not get take any chance from anybody. And the one nigga stop away. So only I'm not going to see maybe I be Piaggio. That's okay. Since the Ugechi will not listen to anybody. My boy, the only ugly guy will get now. Metre is here. But Jpac I want to support all my people and my fans. That's me and from there. Else he started debunking. That debunker, debunker, all back as Igbo way. That's how you. Only you make pause record or only have to reply. The team name escalate. Yeah, way me. Say okay, they carry go. Support Ogechi. If I support Ogechi, why did I call you 3, 4 times? I don't know how many times I called him. Now snap. Now you have my wife. I'm going to stop a little more. No America. My junior brother. Sorry. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to let you the middle gate. That's not there. Now we are getting but that day, the wife was not as far. Yalan on the betum na earlier. Already I said Jovic, Jovika. That's okay. See because one money we go to say one kai go. Then I see you all me invite where the no. Or yes. Now say all the same. I would like to support what he's doing. I like what he's doing. If I don't want on in here, I didn't say. Only say nature advice. Don't deploy the children. Why discuss a business into minimum advice. Because there were some people that got in project who around that area and Orienta. Only non grand will do better than more not here in America. But don't want them there. I'm a will not market nowhere. All those things. I wanted him to come. Come out to spread it. I discuss a percentage. If I don't like him, will I be calling him? There are other bloggers. Other people. But I know why I chose him. I just know why. So that was one way for you. You give me a video on us that don't vava na social media. One year, you are cool. You live with that matter. Okay, came na social media. Then downfall. Until getting the mega, they very small. I won't reply. I will not reply him. but the barrage of people got reply here. Obviously, had it been I know. But meanwhile, I'll not be free like you now because you give him to instruction. Forget this guy, yeah, actually. Or get in your way, or get near with the water. Since you're trying to know yet, and then I know what the career I can do. That's why I pity the woman. Because when they carry the more they make the woman affect. Because you're born again, they will kill his career. A book career now. I pity the woman that she goes over. So I don't want this video to be too long. Share them this video. Yeah, cool. Look at that. This time of EU bottom. Yeah, end the corner private like this. Other public email. Oga like here. And me to another one idiot. Also the public now cut them. But I'm not going to go followers. I ignored him. Silent can't you remember that case? Another woman made a video about 20-something minutes video. All on me. Now we get tired. Rubbish. That they won't know about it. People made a couple of videos against me. My mom made a video about Soludo. Somebody from Soludo camp made a video against me. Talking and make it tired. I no reply. As I no reply, the matter died. That was just my brother. They swear to kill Sagawu. Silent. Or talking no. Only other Saga. But yet you couldn't have the thing. Actually, team other find they are wrong. I'm not threatening him. No way, I will not respond to you because more I went time even a social media, but not be able to need Igbo. Therefore, but in the to go, he got fight again with. Come to the way to.